Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Printify, the platform that empowers e-commerce entrepreneurs to create and sell custom products effortlessly. Printify offers a wide array of customizable items, from apparel and accessories to home goods and unique gift items. With over 90 print providers globally, it ensures fast production and shipping options tailored to various regions, making it a go-to solution for dropshippers. Its user-friendly interface integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, simplifying the process of adding products to your store. Printify's pricing is clear, with both free and premium plans. The premium plan offers discounts on products, which is ideal for high-volume sellers looking to maximize their profits. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Printify's mockup generator is intuitive, allowing users to design products easily without prior experience. With detailed analytics, Printify helps you track your store's performance and optimize your inventory. Additionally, its customer service is responsive, assisting with production or shipping inquiries. Start exploring Printify today to elevate your e-commerce business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insights on tools to grow your store.